This video is for students who need assistance with answering open response questions in assessments. Teachers are welcome to share this video with students and parents or guardians as well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a few different things when answering open response questions. Enter a typed response, create a table, add images, and use math symbols. When you reach an open response question in an assessments assignment, you'll have a larger text box that allows you to enter your response. Sometimes you'll be asked to explain your answer in a written response by typing text into the open response box. Sometimes you'll have to create a table. One way to insert a table is by clicking on the table icon found in the open response box here. Make sure to follow directions in the question to create the correct table. When you click the table icon, select how many rows and columns you would like. Once your table is created, you can fill it in with the necessary information according to the question you're answering. You can also resize the table. Another way to create a table is by drawing it on paper and then clicking Take a Picture in the button above the open response box. This will allow you to use the camera on your device to upload a picture directly into the open response box. You can add other types of images to your open response as well. Click the Insert Image option, and you can upload a picture from your device. You can also click Draw to insert a drawing of your work. The last feature of our open response questions that I'm going to show you is how to insert math symbols in your open response. First, click the Omega button in the bar at the top of your open response box. You will see some different math symbols appear, which will allow you to show your work more easily. You can explore these symbols by clicking on the titles on the left side of the box. One final thing to note about open responses. Unlike the other questions in assessments, you will not receive instant feedback when you submit your answer for an open response question. Notice that it will say ungraded. Your teacher will need to review your work first, and then will have the option to leave you feedback and a score after you submit your assignment. When you're finished with your assignment, you'll see this student report. Once your teacher has left feedback, you can see the feedback that your teacher has left by clicking back into the assessments link for this assignment. You'll then be able to see any score or feedback that the teacher left for you. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck.